Morning viewer, we're on the Regent Seven Seas Explorer and I'm going to see if I can do a tour of the ship in one shot, unscripted. Let's go. So this is our terrace. There's our view of the sea. So 2 chairs with a table. Go in there. So we're on the 8th floor. Deck, shut the window, deck 8. Little tour of the room. We have the what we call the kitchen area, which is not a kitchen area at all, but it has the TV, and the bed, little table, sofa. This is really the work area where we work on the computer for the videos and stuff. And around here we have our dressing room with our safe and the little drawers for all our clothes. In here we have our rather nice bathroom, 2 sinks, 2 wash basins rather, toilet, walk-in shower with a nice glass door, our bath with all my running stuff still drying from the other day. Okay. Take our electrical card. I will skip through the boring bits, obviously. Here we go. This is the Connoisseur Club for the smokers, cigar smokers, etc. We're at the very front now. So this is the observation lounge. So you can sit here, look out the front and pretend you're driving. How cool is that? Technically a piano bar at Christmas. Did I mention it was the start of December? Start. It's the 11th of December. That was the observation lounge. This is the library where you can borrow books. The library. I'm trying to avoid filming too many people. So here we are out on deck 11. swimming pool, jacuzzi. Breakfast bar area, pool bar area rather. Go back into the air conditioning. This is breakfast. So we made it to deck 12. So up here we have the sports, we have the golf, the paddleboard, the croquet, the running track, all that good stuff.
I'm sure she reads that thing.
So this is the island of Bali in Indonesia. It's 9 o'clock in the morning, December the 11th, of 32, 33 degrees, raining. What can you say? Is this paradise? So this is half the running track. I won't do the full lap for this video. There is another video where I made a track guide of a 200-meter loop, which you might find fun. Well, that didn't work, did it? I had to cut the video, and I carried on along this deck and went the wrong way and got totally confused and ended up at the wrong end of the ship. So starting again halfway. So we're just going to take a little walk around deck 12, deck 12, which is the run track. I specifically wanted to show you this view of the pool. Currently empty, as it's still only 9:30 in the morning, and most people are just having breakfast. Because we just changed the hour last night, so for a lot of people it's still only 8:30 in the morning. Anyway, continue. So this is the lift shaft that you'll see later on. This is the rest of the running track. If you look on my YouTube, I made a short 2-minute track guide of the running track, which you might find fun. Not necessarily interesting, but fun. Okay, down here, back onto deck 11. This is generally where we come for the buffet lunch. So now we're definitely at the right end of the ship. So this is the French restaurant, the Chartreuse. At Christmas. And this is Prime 7. The meat restaurant. Meat and wine restaurant at Christmas. And then in here we have the Pacific Rim restaurant. Japanese fusion, all those sort of things goes on in here. And I think that's it for the restaurants. Down here we have the spa, which we won't be filming in because it will be full of sweaty people who don't want to be filmed, I'm sure. Lots of machines and exercise classes and all that. Good morning. This is an interesting area. It's the communal puzzle, which for once shows two puzzles that are actually finished. That was the coffee connection, followed by this one whose name I've forgotten. This is another live music venue. There's the reception. Nice painting of Princess Charlene of Monaco.
Yes.
And our very festive atrium. Let's go down and have a look. The Christmas money shot with the lifts behind. How cool is that? I remember I mentioned the lifts. They go all the way up there. Right. A few more places to show you. These are amazing. I keep wondering if they're bolted down, but I'm not going to see if they are or not. I hope they don't fall off in a storm. Anyhow. Here we have another music venue. Decked out for something special by the look of it. In here we have the Compass Rose, a large restaurant, general restaurant I would guess. In here we have the casino. Casino tables. Lots and lots of machines. And finally we have the boutiques. Almost finally we have the boutiques. And then we have the theatre, the Constellation Theater, which at the moment is closed for rehearsals. So we won't be going in there. Maybe try it.
Very good, thank you. You get a couple of days off?
No, not days off, straight in, but I have a few hours.
Several hours later, it's open, so we can have a little look around. We've seen many shows here, none of which I could film. Currently it's in the landing party configuration, so we're exchanging our tickets for bus numbers, and then we head out on our excursions. So that was our little tour of the Regent Seven Seas Explorer. 740 odd feet long, 740 something passengers and 540 something crew. I will put it properly. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll finish off with a picture of the Christmas tree. Very festive time indeed. We'll actually finish off with, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hopefully see you in the next one.